Here we go. Battlebox number 80, mission 87. This is going to be the Pro, third out of 4 levels unboxing. As you can see, I have not been inside this. Let's see what we get. So Battlebox is a monthly subscription. You pay for the first one, and they send you something that they've had in their files, and then they send you one per month after that. There's 4 different levels. This is mission 87. All right. And so at the basic level, we've got the Clean Freak body wipes in the 12-pack. So these are great for camping if you're out on the trail, if you're assigned to a fire or an emergency incident where you can't get back to camp or can't get in the line with the showers. These work very well, and hopefully they're a large enough size that you can get that. They're non-scented, scent-free, and so yeah, we use these, stick these in my bag. They probably work a little bit better than baby wipes, which is what I will replace in my current bag. The next one is the Fox Edge Arrowhead set. So let's look for, oh, here we go. Fox. And so I need to pull out my blade. And I have no idea what these are. Interesting. So they look like an arrowhead. Very sharp. And I wonder if there's a tool or something that comes with. It's got a couple of different heads. It's got a saw blade on it. And another point. Alright. And some cord. Designed for use as a secondary blade in a survival situation where you might need it. The nubs at the base of the tang along with the whole of the cutouts make it possible to lash the arrowhead to a stick and make a makeshift spear or lance. Use the saw provided in this kit to cut your broadhead notch for the spear. Cool. So yeah, little arrowhead spear kit. Pretty interesting, novel thing. All right. The next item is the MODL Flexabeaner, new type of multi-tool. All right. It looks like you can clip that around something. Obviously, you can, if you clip it into smaller places, you can change the distance here. Maybe use it around your the rope that we just got in the other piece. Or maybe this fits onto the water bottle that's coming next. So in the next one, we're going to get in the, so that's your basic box. That's the lowest level is those three. In the advanced box, we're getting this month the MODL bottle with rinse mod. All right, so it's got different things in there. You can put the sport top, put the drinking straw, put a filter on. The rinse mod there. Put the sling on. There we go. There's the sling. There's from the last strap item. All right. And so essentially this is silicone water bottle. So it's got handles on each end. And it's got a metal threads on the top there. Plastic. Interesting. Definitely won't be able to break that or crush that. And then there's the rinse mod. It's got holes in the bottom of this, and so you could use your water bottle as a shower. Attach that on the bottom, and give yourself a camp shower. And then I've seen a couple of other items in there that you can get a filter. You can get the sports top, and it does come this month with a, I believe it was 25% off of the additional items that you could use in this item. That's cool. A little different kind of drink container. All right. At the third level, which is what I get, is the Pro level. And this is the DD Tarp. For DD Hammocks, the Tarp, the 3x3 Tarp. And here we go. This color comes in the, says it's a 3x3 Tarp, 3 meters by 3 meters, coyote brown, made out of coated polyester. It's got some guide ropes and pegs. And there's 19 different attachment points. This is a pretty cool item. Always a tarp in your bag gives lots and lots of options of things to do. Whether you're making a shelter overhead or you're putting down as a ground cloth, having a good tarp. Got some nice attachments. It looks like reinforced sewing on there. Make sure that we don't rip things out. So yeah, looks pretty nice. Like something that you can use. The stake bag. And whenever you get items, you want to go through and make sure the ones that you're going to use, that you pull out the wrappers and things. It's extra weight. You don't necessarily need it. Some stakes and some cord to put up your stuff. All right. Very nice. And even though I did not get the Pro Plus, the Pro Plus would be a fillet knife this month. I did not get this option, but I see it's got a fillet, it's got a sharpener, it's got a saw blade, and a couple of other ones in there that you can use. Looks like a nice little kit. Hope you found this helpful. And that's Mission Brief 87. And I'll be definitely putting some of these items into my gear. Have a good time. Bye-bye.